Hello everyone, Mark here. Welcome to Red Dutchess Farm. Today, March 19th, 2019, we start planting garden. So we want to take you along with that. We're going to be installing and filling a few raised beds, and then we've got some plants to plant. So let's go, let's get the gardening season started. So we've got some walking onions, and some mustard, and some chard back there that survived the winter just fine. Got these beds uncovered. Got a little bit of spinach in this fourth bed here that also made the winter. Doesn't look too good. But we're going to begin planting some lettuces and stuff that I started in the greenhouse here a little bit. Here's the strawberry beds. And then as you can see down there, the guys are setting more raised beds. This is the third one. We've got 5 built. We'll get the fourth one set there between the tractor and the third one. And that'll probably be it for today, and then we'll start doing some planting. But they're just a treated 2x6 raised bed, put together with 3-inch screws, and then 4x4s in the corner, and a bolt in each corner to keep it from coming apart. When we get these set, this last bed, bring you back when we start doing some planting. The 4 raised beds are finished and filled, and now we've got some plants to plant. We've got chard, bib lettuce, mustard greens, black seeded Simpson lettuce, romaine lettuce, red tip lettuce, and endive. So we're just working up some of these beds here that can be covered up in case we get another really cold snap, and we'll get this stuff planted. So we've got all the small plants planted. Here are Egyptian walking onions that survived the winter, and the collards, and I cleaned them all up. And then there's Swiss chard behind that, and then we planted new Swiss chard back there in the back. And then we come on over to the next one. And we've got romaine and bib lettuce. And I have never planted these little plants like this before. I've always just thrown lettuce seed in the ground. And so we'll see how this works. There's some endive and some black seeded Simpson. And don't remember, another lettuce back there in the back of this bed. And this bed has some spinach that needs cleaned up that has overwintered, and then there are mustard greens back there in the back side of that. I planted all of this in these raised beds with the covers on them because this stuff was all grown in the greenhouse, the small plant starts, and we just basically moved them off of heat mats and moved them out here. So I want to be able to give them a little protection because they're not hardened off yet. Here are the strawberries, starting to green up some. I need to get in there and clean them up. And then the new strawberry beds that we did last fall. And then here are the 4 new 4-foot by 8-foot raised beds that we installed and filled today. I put 3-foot weed mat in between those, and I've pretty well decided that I'm going to put wood chips on top of the weed mat. And I may run a 3-foot strip of weed mat right all the way across the front of these also, and cover that in wood chips. And as the chips decompose and become good dirt, we'll just either be able to transfer that up into the raised beds or load it up and move it and put it other places that we need it and put down fresh wood chips. So just kind of composting rather than in a pile. We'll be kind of composting wood chips on the flat. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed a little preview of the beginning of gardening at Red Dutchess Farm for spring of 2019. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and you all have a great day from Red Dutchess Farm.